Hi, welcome to the session. My name is Prakash, math tutor. Let's solve the question which I have written on the whiteboard. See in this diagram, in this question one diagram is given which is a square OABC with the side length is 7 centimeter, but this square is the one quadrant of the circle with center O. We need to find the area of this shaded region. In square OABC, the side length is 7 centimeter, and we know that circle has 4 quadrants. So here one quadrant is given. So in this, the radius of the circle is same, which is 7 centimeters. So first find the area of square and then area of the quadrant circle. Area of square OABC. OABC equals to, we know that the area of square is side square, so here side length is 7 centimeter, so 7 square, which is 49 centimeter square. So the area of the square OABC is 49 centimeter square. 49 centimeter square is the area of square OABC. Now find the area of one quadrant of the circle. We know that area of circle formula is pi r square. So in circle we have 4 quadrants. We need area of one quadrant. So area of one quadrant of the circle is 1 by 4, because we have 4 quadrants. So 1 by 4 into pi r square. Pi r square. The radius is 7 centimeter, so plug this r is equal to 7 and find the area of one quadrant of the circle. So area is equal to 1 by 4 into pi value is 22 by 7 into 7 square. See here, 7 square becomes 49, so 49 divided by 7 becomes 7. So we have 22 into 7 divided by 4. If we simplify this, we will get the area of circle in one quadrant, which is 154 divided by 4, which is 38.5 centimeters square. So the area of one quadrant of the circle is 38.5 centimeters square. We need to find the area of shaded region. So area of the shaded region equals to see here, that's the unshaded area and this is the shaded area. So the area of shaded region equals to area of the square minus area of the one quadrant of the circle. So area of the shaded region is 49 centimeters square minus 38.5 centimeters square. So the area of shaded region is A equal to 10.5 centimeters square. So 10.5 centimeters square is the area of shaded region. I hope you understand this question. Thanks for watching.